microphone.
This is a song, it's through Choilleag, and it's to the tune of a song written by Robh from Sutherland, who was a drover. And as a drover, it was a hugely responsible job. And as a drover, he would have gone through Glenmoriston on his way to the markets in Creef. And we know that because he wrote a song, a beautiful song about it. Eairdsidh Molebi, which is the tune that we're going to play now. He's going, oh, I wish I was back home. I wish I was back home with my love. Unfortunately, his love didn't quite feel the same, and she married the local joiner. But in a lovely wee twist of fate, he married somebody else, and his daughter married the joiner and his first love's son. So that's a nice wee thing that came round eventually. But anyway, it's a lovely song. Can you tell about the song?
Well, the tune Eairdsidh Molebi was also put. Tailleir put it to one of his own, and it was in Dain agus Órain, his publication. And Sean Gaelic agus Gaelic har cardidich ha first a hugshin nach didich het hengige again. But the gist I got from the from the quite old Gaelic is that Tailleir is coming down through Glenmoriston, and he's become enamoured with a skianach lass, I think, and he asked her to marry him, and she says, no, I won't marry you. And she says, but even if I did want to, I have connections in Skye of the McDonalds, but also the McGregors down in Perthshire, and they would come and kill you. So it's something like that. So, but it's so gentle, you wouldn't know, but yeah. I guess, yeah. And that's called Truagh Nach Choilleag. So, phone Eairdsidh Molebi. Yeah. Truagh nach Choilleag as a Gleann Nam Rini Auna Nimo Madaris and Bean Kari Ali Bean Ach and the new V Marin Ach a Fontaine Lane Good and Leppy Luach die Vadich, Sauna Chadschle.